Hey, how you going? My name's Ben, this is Art, and today we're unboxing the King's Thumper Max Dual Air Compressor Mark II with Thumper air compressor 4-meter air hose extension. I haven't bought a compressor yet. I've been borrowing my friend's Justin's every time we come out. So let's open it up. And I didn't bring any knife, so we're just going to use my keys. Now I got this on sale, I can't remember how much it was, but I think it was like 130 or something for the two of those together. And there was an option to have an all-in-one multi-tool for it, but I've already got a deflator, so I didn't need that. Alright. I'll pick that up, I don't leave rubbish. So, a little bit of bubble wrap, not that that's really going to do much to protect it, but so I don't know the exact specs on this, but it's got the twin tanks, so it can pump up pretty quickly. Obviously got a lot of power there. 150 psi, thank you. And obviously to go into your battery there. Now it does come with quite a long extension there, but I did buy this just in case. I'm not going to unbox it now because I don't think I'm going to need that, but just in case. So yeah, pretty simple. Obviously connect to your battery and then connect this all together, and you've got that goes on your tire air thingy, and you just pump it up. You got your gauge in here as well, which you just press the little button on the back and that'll show you how much PSI you've got. So I mean, for normal road driving, I usually run at about 40 PSI. At the moment, deflated for off-roading, we've got 25 PSI at the moment. So yeah, pretty short one, this one, but we'll obviously skip to when we're airing up, when we're done for the day. Pretty good deal. King's obviously isn't the best brand, but they're very easy to get. They've got a lot of products as well, and pretty cheap, so can't complain. Alright, so here's my thoughts on the Thumper compressor by King. Now, as you see in the video, we went and aired back up using it. Now, first thoughts are, it aired up super quickly, which is good. That's why it's got the twin motors. Airs up very quickly. Obviously has a lot more PSI than a single motor unit. There was a downside though. I did notice that the little pressure gauge on there was about 10 PSI wrong. So I was filling it up and it was going very quickly. I'm like, oh, okay, great. And then I was like, it keeps on going to exactly the same spot, which obviously if you're good, you can get it to the same spot every time. But I was like, I'm just gonna double check. So I went around with my deflator, didn't deflate them whatsoever, but just put it in to check the pressure. And yeah, they were pretty much exactly to a T, about 10 PSI off. So that's where it comes into, where the King's products, they are good for the money you pay for them, but obviously they do have downsides. So, I mean, it could be an easy fix as just getting a new pressure gauge system to put onto the pump, but it is what it is. For the money I spent on it, I'm not too worried. I do have my deflator to double check the pressures, but if I know it's going to be 10 PSI out at all times, I can just adjust for that. So other than that, really great system, nice and heavy, nice and sturdy. Like I said, filled up super quick. It's just that little altercation with the pressure gauge being slightly wrong that is the main downside for it. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up for this video. It was just a really short one. Just wanted to unbox it, give my thoughts on it, and show you a bit of B-roll from what we did the other day out at Glasshouse. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like. If you didn't, roll it back, give it another chance. My name's Ben, this is Art, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.